Welcome to my channel Brainy Whiz. Welcome to this exciting quiz. Dive into fascinating topics like literature, science, history, and geography to challenge your mind and expand your knowledge. Who wrote the novel 1984? Options are A. Orwell, B. Dickens, C. Hemingway. Correct answer is Orwell. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? Options are A. Dove, B. Sparrow, C. Crow. Correct answer is dove. What is the main language of Brazil? Options are A. Spanish, B. Portuguese, C. Italian. Correct answer is Portuguese. Who was the first president of the USA? Options are A. Lincoln, B. Adams, C. Washington. Correct answer is Washington. What is the smallest unit of matter? Options are A. Atom, B. Molecule, C. Proton. Correct answer is atom. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Options are A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars. Correct answer is Venus. What is the national sport of Canada? Options are A. Hockey, B. Lacrosse, C. Soccer. Correct answer is lacrosse. What is the cube root of 27? Options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 5. Correct answer is 3. What is the hardest natural substance? Options are A. Quartz, B. Gold, C. Diamond. Correct answer is diamond. What is the world's largest island? Options are A. Iceland, B. Australia, C. Greenland. Correct answer is Greenland. Thanks for visiting Brainy Whiz. Stay tuned for quizzes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon.